Hey, what's up? Good morning. Okay, interesting day ahead, I think. Today, we got two very huge sell-offs from last week, G3 and Dataprp. These are the two that I want to look at today for any big sell-offs. Any big sell-offs to start the day. Maybe try to pick it up. Maybe try to pick up on like a dip. I don't know. So far, it just looks like Dataprp is about to open very low. But I have to be extra cautious. Magpie, very strong, strong start. I mean, strong close last week. Huge green candle, you can see on the daily. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that as well. But right now, I'm just gonna focus on Dataprp for now, because it's gonna open low. And maybe if it shows any sign of reversal, then I might try and pick it up on the way. You never know. But patience. Oh, after a weekend, I usually prefer to go into the first trading day with a bit more patience. What's the limit down on this? 175. Okay. You can see a huge resistance at 220 for Dataprp. Big sell-off coming from Dataprp. Now the risk here is that it gives us no bounce, which is very possible. Oops. Giving us a bit of support at 2. But huge resistance again into 2 ringgit. Remember, the limit down is 175. So we're going to watch around the 175 area, possibly. Okay, I picked up a bit. Picked up a bit at about 2 ringgit. Hopefully this starts reversing. Maybe. Not sizing in too large because Dataprp is still not the strongest, I'd say. Not as strong as I'd like. Obviously, I'm very tempted to pick up a bit more at 205. Not gonna lie. I'm very tempted to pick up a bit more at 205. But I'm not extremely confident, so I'm gonna keep my size. I'm gonna keep my size controlled for now. Don't want to be too greedy. So I'm hoping to get a rebound to about 220s, 220 area. Obviously struggling a little bit, so just like that, is failing to hold the 2 ringgit level. I'll give it a bit of time to keep trying. See if we can hold the 2. Still a bit of resistance around the 205s, yeah. So let's see how the price action plays. If it starts to flush down again, I'm just gonna stop out for a quick loss, but that's fine. That's why I maintain my size at my initial buy-in instead of trying to buy in more until I see proper strength. Then maybe I'll shoot in one more. But for now, it doesn't look extremely strong, so still being a little bit conservative, a little bit more conservative. How is Magpie? Magpie, very strong open, very strong open. Today 720, G3, just no rebound, no nothing. Dataprp still floating around the 205s. I think we just need to crack the 207 to 208. 207, 208, then we can probably go back up to about 210s, 215s, hopefully. 220s is ideal. But it's sort of so hard already, so. Right now, I don't think it's about if sellers will overflow. I think it's if buyers can come in. Whether there will be enough buyers to come and push in. So Magpie consolidating pretty nicely. Set my alerts up here for now. Looks like we're getting 207. Can we get 210? 210 will be a very strong level to reclaim. 210, 212s. 212 will be a nice level to see. There we go. Patience. Can we claim 214s? A bit struggling a little bit. Maybe I should have taken a bit of profits up here. Seem to be struggling a little bit at 210, which is fine. I'll give it a bit more time. Yeah, I think I'm holding it a bit too long right now. Can we reclaim 212? Like I said, 212, strong level we need to hold. Can we reclaim 212? Okay, we got 214. It's nice. I took a bit of profit at 214. I took most of my profits at 214s already. Okay. Nice. Honestly, I was looking for, like I said, like 220s, but seems like we're bouncing below 215s already just now. So I took most of my profits out, leaving a bit more to run. Now let's watch Magpie for a while. Magpie is sort of quite heavily already. So let's see if we can crack the 220s on this move. If not, I'm gonna start peeling more profits out already. The longer it takes, the more I'll peel. But I've peeled off about 70% of my position already, so can afford to look at other stocks. So Magpie is on the top of our list. There we go. Can we get 220s? Nice, there we go. Touching 220s, but a bit of struggle. Looks like. There we go. We got 220s. Strong 220s. And I took the remaining rest, the remaining, not yet. I took most of my profits out at 222s. I'm just gonna try and clear the others at 223. Yep, okay, nice. So I cleared the rest of my position up here. Very nice. Very nice. So, not bad. So average buy-in about 2.01. You can see right here, about 2.01. So I caught about, say, an average sell of about 215 lah. 14 cents on 30k. Not bad. Probably about 4k right there. Solid start to the week. Could it continue going up? Definitely. But I don't want to be too greedy. Hit my target already. Sold a bit too much around 214s. I could have been a bit more patient, but just wanted to collect my profits. Didn't want to hold too long. So Goping is down quite a bit as well. Magpie is up 20%. G3 is bad. See, don't be too greedy. Take profits once I have it. I need to double check to make sure that I sold all my shares. Yep, very nice. WCT. Sorry, I just saw your chat message. WCT on the daily. It's like decent uptrend on the daily, but it's not enough volatility for me to trade this. Because I prefer to trade stocks that go wild, like Dataprp, you know? So possible, I might look for another trade right here. A smaller one. Let's see. Try to pick it up at 209 for bounce off the VWAP right here. 209s, right? Yeah, about 209s. But no fill. It would have been a nice quick trade 209s and then sell it into the 215s probably. Quick 6 cents. If it even reaches 215 again. Not bad. Yeah, probably you could have done the 209 to 215. Quick bounce. G3 slow grind. Magpie. Magpie very strong on the daily. Very, very strong on the daily. Huge green candles. After it cracked most of its resistance around this zone, then it's just shot up. There we go. Dataprp 215s. Not bad. So Dataprp, our Titan has fallen from its highs of what, 410, around 50%. If you're wondering what will happen to Dataprp, I think a good example is Gets. I think it will just have a few red days, and then eventually one strong green day will appear. So I'm also anticipating a big green day from Dataprp still, but it will slowly just bleed out into some level that the chefs are supposed to maintain. So let's say if they're supposed to maintain the 2 ringgit level, you'll probably have a strong green day. One of the coming days, you probably have a strong green day, and you'll just slowly fade back to 2 ringgit. That's just what I think based on history. If you want to study it, you can look for Gets Green Energy Text Solution, and you're going to study it yourself. So any other plays on this? Do I care if it breaks 230? Probably not. How low can it dip? 175. 175, still quite a lot of space to go down. Any support there? 175. Yeah, there's no more support until it hits its limit down, so 171. So it bounced off nicely off of our support level. If you see, we have this support drawn here around the 198 level, the 2 ringgit level here. On the 15-minute chart, you can see quite a strong base. Okay, let me just draw it here first. See, strong basing action here. Rejecting, basing, and then shoot up. So there's a lot of, we call it balance volume here. So happened today, that's where it bounced. So that's how you anticipate. That's how you try and anticipate a dip. Okay, any other plays on Dataprp? I want to juice Dataprp until it's dry. I've been juicing it every single day. Even last week, I think at around 3 p.m. I caught this dip as well. Around the 271s and the 29. I bought into 290s and 271s. Sold it into the threes. Not bad. But I tried to play this as well. Obviously, not all dips work all the time, lah. Right, and this is a good example of how a dip buy can fail. On the way down, try to pick it up here. 260s, 270s. I think I picked it up at 265, 270. Just flush all the way back down. Could have been a nice 10, 15 cent move as well. Looking at these candles, these are actually very big. This whole panic was about 10%. But dips don't always, it's not 100% either, so. Maybe if it breaks $2, then I'll care. So MacPie. What's NTPM? Okay, strong green day. First green day with volume over the past, say, 3 months. NTPM. What's NTPM? Oh, quarterly result. Okay. Any structure that we can look for? Not really. Not yet, at least. Possible to play later, but I need to see it build into a good setup first. So how's everybody's weekend been? Hopefully everybody had a nice rest. Ready to take on the week again. Hopefully we get some exciting times this week. Be careful on Dataprp. I have a feeling it will play out like G3 last Friday. Okay. I don't want to say specifically how or what it will do, but I think it will be like G3 last Friday. So if you want to go and look at it and figure it out yourself. G3 Global. So 2 ringgit is where the major support is at now, but no, we saw at the absolute top of this rebound. The high of the rebound was 223. And we saw one chunk into 223. Not bad. Not bad. Here we saw a bit too many lah. What's new? What's new? What's Magpie's orders? About 400,000 orders per level. That's fine. 4 to 800,000 orders per level. A lot of support. 640s. Focus dynamic. The Naga up 20 cents. APS Teladan is up today. IPO, I think it's been having red days only. Yeah, look at that sad IPO, man. Yalah, not that bad. No, I don't trade Bitcoin. So nothing. Oh, Magpie. Suddenly huge volume coming in. Oof, what's the high? 720 is the high. Oh, you can consider 695. 70 cents a decent entry. Let me think. No, wait for the highs. So that fake, big fake. So consider 695. 720. I didn't manage to catch the resistance at 720. I can't remember what the orders looked like. Big resistance at 720. Okay. Usual. Very strong, very strong. So watching Magpie here for a break of 720. It's super volatile now, to be honest, so I'm a bit not too confident. That's what I meant to say. Even though it looks extremely strong, 720 would have been an ideal entry for me, but it is so volatile. Look at that. Oh my god. Imagine if I caught it 720. 720 would have been the ideal entry point for me. We've gotten 750s already, 755s maybe. Yeah, easy 755. 760s as well. Oh my. Sorry about that. Magpie spiked so hard it crashed my stream. Damn, missed it. I was watching this level 720, but it was so volatile. I wasn't too confident. Even if I were to jump in on this, I would have jumped in very small because it was so volatile. Missed on such a nice breakout. Wasted. Oh man. 8 80 cents. Are you kidding? Without any pullbacks. Straight up to 80 cents. From 72. Wow. What a waste. What a waste. This looks basically perfect. The setup was basically perfect. It's going all the way up to the mid-up. Are you kidding me? Oh man. Did any of you catch it? Any of the students catch it? So sick. So sick. You caught it. Well, oh shit, dude. Ah, I missed it. Damn, this is insane, dude. Hopefully you took your profits already. Hopefully you're starting to cut already, right? Because I think there's with stocks that are this volatile, as quickly as it goes up, it will shoot back down. So big red candles coming probably around the probably gonna retrace back to about 750s, 740s. Damn, dude, well done, Huang. Shit. Nice, dude. Sick, man. Share your trade in the Discord. Sick. Fudge, I missed it. No. Dude, I was watching it as well. Oh, man. What a waste. What a waste. The 720s all the way to 850s, dude, in like 3 minutes. For all of you percent nuts, 17% in 3 minutes, bro. Risking about, say, 2%. So there's like 1 to 9 risk reward, dude. Damn. Ayah. Oh well. At least one of us caught it, right? At least one of us caught it, you know? Well done, bro. I was a pussy, man. I canceled my order just now when it shot up here. I canceled my order. I put it in order there, 715, and I canceled it when I saw that it's shooting too high, and it shot back down. So I was like, okay. Then I tried to get it again, 720, but I missed it. Too scared, there. Too scared. Now don't chase it anymore. Look for next opportunity. So Dataprp failed to hold 2 ringgit. But still decent amount of support on the way down. If it starts to sell off, maybe I'll check it out again. Maybe. So actually, don't be greedy. Always take your profits. Always take your profits. Hey, we're back to 720. Just like that. 3 minutes to reach. 3 minutes to gain 17%. 3 minutes to go back to 0. Nice. What's the VWAP? 69.5. Tempting to buy off the VWAP, but I'm gonna control myself. No VWAP. No VWAP plays. Hit a low of 70 cents. Not bad. Probably gonna start recovering back to like 75, 76, 77. NTPM. Let's have a look at NTPM. Quite healthy order as well. Dataprp coming back down. If it goes to like 190, then maybe I'll care. Right now, I just want to see NTPM for a while. Dataprp. Strong support 190s. Okay, it's actually going down. Okay. Be careful, yeah. 175 is the limit down, I think. 175, yeah, 175 is the limit down. So around this region. So what level do I care about? There's not many support levels on the way down anymore actually. 185 probably is a potential spot to try. So even 185 isn't gonna hold this. $190 with a heavy resistance. If I get filled. I have an order at 184. See if I get any fills here. Obviously not very confident at this spot, but okay, I got my fill at 184. Quite a small fill. Not extremely confident, but let's just give it a test. Give it a starter. Wow, very big resistance coming in. It's fine. I can hold through this because I'm in for rather small. Very big resistance. So huge support 175. Probably should have just cut the position at 180. And then if it comes back up, then maybe I can get an add-on again, but okay. We'll see whether it holds limit, whether it can rebound off limit down, or will it be G3 and just not rebound at all. Definitely entry a little bit early, but it's fine. So struggling around the 180s level. It's okay. I probably will cut most of my position if it fails to hold limit down. And then if it starts to rebound, then maybe I'll look for a quick entry, because I know that the momentum, when it comes in, it will shoot very fast. Around these levels, right? Just like that. Oh, I missed it. Just like that, you see how quickly it shot up. I wanted to add on at 180, but fingers too slow. It's okay, I have a small position at 184. Don't want to be too greedy on this move. I don't think it can go too far. Usually once it approaches these levels, it won't go too far. Probably just looking for above 190s, and then I'll probably start peeling a bit. But my position is very small, so no big deal here. 193, 194 would be perfect. 190 with huge resistance, so it's probably going to sell back down. Maybe a chance for us to pick up a bit more. Before it hits its limit down. Nah, I'm not gonna add too high up, especially on such a weak stock. Just want to catch the this is probably the literal final burst of energy, final burst of buying that it has. So if you want to study how stocks behave around this price point, you can look at G3, you can look at VipoCom. Those are good examples of how a stock will behave when it reaches these price points. And based on my experience, it's probably will, I might end up cutting the loss on this trade. Just predicting it right now. $175. 175. 75 is the limit down. So I'll give it some space first. Give it some time to try and at least push back up. But 184 is definitely a bit early, considering that it was really approaching its limit down price. Yeah. There we go. We got a quick surge in buying again. That's very usual. Everybody's thinking the same. Everybody's like, I'm waiting for that burst of buying, then I'll try and get in. And everybody's risking like the limit down price. But usually the surge in buying lasts very, very little only. Doesn't look like it's gonna push. It doesn't look like it's gonna have a strong push back up. Like pie. See, that's why you don't hold, man. This is why you don't hold for too long. So we got a few green candles. Hopefully we can crack back above 190 on this push. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna cut my position. Hopefully we get some strong momentum back up above 190. Decent buying right now. Some good orders coming in on the buy side, clearing out the selling on the right side of the order book. 187, 188, nice, not bad. Can we clear 190? Once it breaks 190, should have a bit more push upwards, the upside, hopefully. There we go. 190 again with the giant resistance, but it looks like we are trying to fight it this time. Can we fight it this time? And back we go. Well, here we are again, 184. Hex Industries. Let's see what's Hex Industries. Yep, not bad. I'll watch this in a short while, but ay. See if I can cut my position or not on Dataprp. Okay, I'm out at break even. Out at 184. It's fine. Pay a bit of fees, but got out at break even. Yeah, got out at break even. Next industries. Decent volume. You can see the resistance on the left side. Very, very close resistance. So it's probably gonna hit roadblocks on the way up. 51 cents, 52.5 cents is the high, around 48.5. Few things that I don't like about it is, one, it has quite a bit of sell-off a few days ago. In the very near today, there's quite a bit of resistance, and then it's gonna have to fight. So it pivoted around 490s, right? It's gonna have to fight 50 cents. It's gonna have to fight this pivot right here, which is about 51 cents. It's gonna have to fight this pivot here, 52.5 cents. It's gonna have to fight this, 54 cents. So there's a lot of resistance to punch through. Right, Dataprp finally going after I took off my position. But that's fine. Size was very small anyways, about 20 lots. 200 lots, not 20 lots, 200 lots. So even if I sold it into 194s, it would be like 1.5. Not small, but not significant. So it's a very nice double bottom. But it took too long. I didn't feel like it. Hex Industries. Let's see. Hex Industries. So once you see the 50 cents level, it's probably bad resistance there. Probably a very big resistance around the 50 cents. Magpie. So end up Dataprp also shooting up. This is scientifically proven that when I'm waiting for a setup and I sell my shares, it will shoot up directly after. So I should sell a service, where I buy and sell a share, and then it will shoot up. So you reach 197, probably can touch could probably touch the 2 ringgit level also. I sold right here. Right here. Imagine if I was 1 minute more patient for another minute. 1 more minute. Could have been nice. But you win some, you lose some. So I missed this trade today. This was a very nice breakout. Hopefully the students caught it. Right? If you want to learn, I'm releasing a course soon. Right? If you want to join the students, join the Discord first and sign up in the link. Or if you think you can learn it yourself, I have videos on my YouTube channel for you to consume at any time. For those of you who are new here, probably not many new people today, but I trade 9 to 10 a.m. every single day, live for free for you to watch. And if you enjoy this content, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button. Helps my channel grow, helps me reach more people who have the interest. Hopefully they don't fall into all of the scams and they learn actual trading, learn real trading. Cool. So 950s. Let's see. Here I have 198. Could have been decent. Could have been a decent catch here. Now, a quick sweep. Any other stocks that I see potential in? Let's see. CYL, Fajada City Line Industries. Whoa. CYL. Stock split. Okay. NTPM, maybe, but doesn't look too good. Maybe around 69, 70s. Could be possible area to watch. So I'm just gonna put my alerts here. Magpie. Definitely no interest in the upside. If it comes down, maybe I have an interest in it. Not sure what levels I'll be looking for. Maybe the 50s. Somewhere there lah. Dataprp. No more interest for today. If it comes back down, it's just weakness already. Goes back up. Don't have much confidence in the upside for this guy. Hex Industries, I will watch it, but I'm not sure if I'll play it. Yeah, I'll watch it, but I'm not sure if I'll play it. There's just a lot of probably a lot of resistance for it to fight. The odds are not really in our favor. Superlong, DNO, Hoover, WCT. Okay, yep. Everything else doesn't look too great at this point. I wonder what G3 looks like. Coping is down a lot as well. I wonder what the gloves look like today. Not bad. Slowly pushing back up the gloves. New low, forming the low of at about 465-ish. 465s. Forming a solid base around this 510, 520s. Not bad. This could be the new support for gloves. A lot of upside, obviously, but how likely is it to push this much? Who knows? Are the institutions gonna bother picking it up again? Who knows? So Dataprp probably lost most of its steam already. Hopefully none of you are holding Dataprp. It'd be very stupid for you to hold Dataprp, to be honest. After it's gone through so much extension already. Anyways, okay. Thanks everybody for tuning in today. Hopefully you found this enjoyable. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. Hopefully you learn a bit of the discipline, a bit of the mindset. Prevent you from taking any stupid trades. Next. If you're interested to learn, I don't claim that this is the best strategy, but it works for me. So if you're interested to learn, make sure you're part of the Discord channel. First link in the description. You guys like the new light? It's so bright. Watch. No light? Light. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, please leave a like. Share with a friend who you feel that has been scammed by a lot of the fake pump and down groups who have been struggling to find a method that actually works for them. At least give my videos a quick watch so that at least you can understand what I trade. And if you think you want mentorship, you can always join us in a Discord. We have a whole community. You can see Huang caught the trade. Living proof that this method can be done. Right, Huang? Anyways, yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow 9 a.m. as usual. Have a great start to the week. Let's ease back into this week. Hopefully we can end this month strong. I think I've surpassed my 300k net. We'll see. I'll go and calculate it after this. Alright, okay, peace. Ciao.